Hi, welcome to our channel Jeep Tips. Please subscribe our channel. The train is in the sky flying. It is down the train line. It is very long train. Is the world because it is much and huge train bogie. The train is yellow color and it is flying the green ground. Wow, it is very interesting and enjoyable times. It is seeing the first time in this train. The train is many passenger. This time in train, it is flying train. The train in the sky is yellow color train and very speed and going to US Junction. Stop the train. Wow, really it is passenger amazing times. The world is all time update. So it is a train line update and train flying update. Airplane line and send the train flying. It is over the river and going the train. It is very long train. We are seeing the yellow color rail train and very speed the train. Wow, wow! It is real train. Yeah, the train is over the motorcycle and tempo. The train line and see again the one train is stop maybe. Please subscribe our channel and thanks for watching and next video soon. Thank you so much.